TNT here, and today I'm bringing you guys a Minecraft video. In this Minecraft video, we're gonna play Super Crafters. I play where Minecraft plays bro, but he can't. Unfortunately, he can't answer my Skype call because he told me that it doesn't work. Each time I Skype call him, his Minecraft shuts down. So, and I just deal with it and just play by ourselves. Why would it stop lagging when you like answer when you start playing? Oh, there's a chicken. There's a bad chicken in the game. Oh god, I'm gonna die by chicken even though I have an expert one. Mom. Oh no, there's a snow golem in the freaking game. Who could not beat the snow golem? You'll find that when we make that road. Just kidding. Oh, and it, one couple of girls is you retarded. You are retarded. You know what? You need rest, chick. What? You freaking Minecraft Play Bros. You son of a Minecraft. You son of a Minecraft Play Bros. Wow, you son of a Minecraft Play Bros. That was a bad Minecraft Play Bros. Now let's go. You son of a Minecraft Play Bros. Stop it! Stop! 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 Freaking Minecraft Play Bros. Nobody likes you. Stop. Yeah. Finally. Oops. The Minecraft Play Bros. Oops. Oh, yeah, oh man. Like the English word to say. Oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Yeah, what's up? I'm gonna join the party. Yeah. I could shoot you from midair. If I can. I'm gonna kill you now. You could. Oh, dang god, I suck at this game. The chicken is overpowered. We need to unite. Let's kill this chicken. Who agrees? No one? Dang god, nobody agrees. I got you, big ups. Oh god. Oh god, where did he go? Where did he freaking guy go? No, please. We could talk about this. Oh, maybe we can't. That's surprising with the bow. Trying to kill me. Shaw! No, you bad X guy. You bad X guy. You son of a bad X guy. No, please. That was all it, guys. Or should I? Yeah, 2 rounds. Oh, he did pile bodies. Sapling made this map. What a coincidence. So I should be chicken right now. Bye, guys. I'm just a little bit sick right today. So I'm driving my mind crazy. With this nose. That works for nothing, my nose. I got your back, friend. What? Yeah, sha. Die. Feel my sword power. What? No, you son of a chicken. If I spawn next to you, I swear to God, I'll kill you. I'll kill your group. I'll kill your family. Until I get my revenge. Oh, son of a gun. No, I'm not helping you. Can you see how many I'm dealing with this chicken? Oops. Oops. Oh god. Oh god, dear god. Oh. Shut. Oh god, I killed myself once and for all. I think he's so mad. So mad. So mad, bro. He's mad, bro. He's mad, bro. God dang. Oh god, he's mad, bro. He's mad, bro. Oh, you son of a gun. How you help me? They better have no health. I got the blaze on fire. I got them. Just kidding. I should have just been a wither. I think I'm gonna die faster than this. Chicken play bros. I admired you my whole life. Now I'm gonna kill you. Which means I just son of a gun. Now I must kill every single person that's in my life. You son of a gun! There's no gun. Oh god! Oh god! You son of a nut! Snatch! You notch! No! Too painful to watch me lose. Anyway, guys, that was the end. Sub, like, comment, and everything. I don't care. Yeah, guys, bye.